Hi, I'm Marcus. I'm the owner of Robertson Renovations here in Wiltshire. We've just completed on this 3-bed renovation for our customers. But a bit about me. My background is I was an army officer for 7 years, and that involved managing people, resources and time to achieve projects just like this one. Personally, I've retraded now to be able to deliver kitchens, bathrooms, bespoke carpentry, but full renovation projects for our customers, and I'm really excited to show you what we've done. So on a large renovation project, things can often get complicated. You tend to have to deal with multiple tradespeople who you don't often know whether they're reliable or not. Instead of taking that on yourself, you could come to Robertson Renovations. We'll project manage the whole thing for you, and we'll use trusted local tradespeople to ensure that you get a top standard renovation. And now we're about to hand it back to the customers, all ready for them to move in.